Hi guys, hello everyone. I will showing you ito po yung aking menu today, nilagang buto-buto. Hindi ko na po siya masyadong I didn't make it describe to you because nilaga is very easy to cook, but I just boiled the pork, and then I put the corn and the potato, banana, saba, and what do you call this? This is the Baguio beans, and then I put the pechay Baguio also at the same time. I put also the pechay, as in pechay, Tagalog pechay. So, and of course, I use pork cube para mas malasa sa isang patis. Depende po yun sa panlasa nyo. Kapag gusto nyo mas maalat or mataas, dagdagan nyo lang po ng patis. But so far, this is what I prepared today. I didn't show it a lot to you because it's not hard to do. Just a simple nilagang buto-buto. So, here po, I'm just gonna let 5 minutes to be boiled, and later I'm going to turn off the fire. It's okay na po, ready to serve na po. So thank you guys. I wish just very easy to cook. It's not needed to explain a lot for the viewers or the people. Okay, thank you so much guys, and God bless you all. Enjoy eating after, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, support, and always appreciate my video. Thank you so much. Love you all. Stay safe and stay hydrated. Bye bye.